Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on this part, this hanging on the ledge part. Like this. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so in this current implementation, when I try to jump, sometimes this happens. My character falls down from this gap. So I want to fix that problem. So let's see how does that happens. See, so I think that happens because let's say my character is somewhere like this, and then if I try to jump, but there's the launch velocity does not really match. Actually, I guess I can't have enough launch velocity to move here. I guess that is the problem. So sometimes my capsule might be colliding with the ledge. So the fix would be, if the gap is too high, I think it wouldn't happen if the case is like this. So yeah, what I want to do is, if this the next section is higher than, let's say, the shoulder level of the character, then I'll first hang the character here, and then in the next step the character will be able to jump, we're able to climb up. So alright, so let's go into our jumping part, which is here, and yeah, when there is no enemy nearby, I do the jumping. I don't need this right now. This is where I check if I am able to land safely. If there is a platform in front of me, if I jump, that I can land. So this is the horizontal check, and then after the horizontal check, this is to determine if there is any barrier in front of us. If there is a barrier, then we check for a horizontal plane above us. So I call this the vertical check. Let me add a comment here. So if there is no vertical check, I return. I do the jump montage like this. But if there is no horizontal check, then I go here. Alright, I do another vertical check. This is to determine if there is a platform below me. So if there is no platform, then I don't play this montage, so that's an issue. So for now I'll connect this. Actually this part is redundant for now, so let's skip it for now and connect like this, so that I will be able to jump off from places like, oh wait, from places like this. Yeah, otherwise I can't jump. Okay, so now let's see the hanging part. Let me reorganize this a little bit. Because I need to put this part in a separate collapsed node. Let me quickly check if everything is alright. Yeah. Then what's this? Oh, let me duplicate this part and use it like this. Okay, now we can put this part into a collapsed node like this. Let's call it jump up. Oh, I think I should have put this animation also inside. So let me cut it and paste it here. Right, now how to determine if I have to do a hanging animation. So that should be decided based on the height of this vertical check hit point. So let me break this to and get the location. And break. Get the location. Break that too. And subtract actor location from this one. Now if this value is larger than, let's say, 80, because my character's half height is 88, so I usually can't jump higher than myself, usually. And not the case in games always, but let's stick to that rule. And then if let's have a branch, if this is true, if this is false, then we can jump up. If this is true, that means I have to hang. In my animation blueprint, I have already created 3 states: free hanging, on wall, and walking. So I think I should I should enable on wall state if I am going to hang. So in the on wall state, basically I'll be in this pose, this and like this. Okay, so here Okay, where is it? In this part. So if I'm not able to jump up, then I should hang on the ledge. Right, now let's implement this fresh. Let's break this here and then add a reroute node. And connect it back to this no node. Now select this part and collapse. Let's call this hang on ledge. Right, now I know that I get a vertical distance of 50 from the outer surface of the, that means this vertical surface of the next ledge, into 50 units for the vertical check. So therefore, well, let's first do this. Let's get the location. No, wait a minute. For this we need the other hit results too. That means this horizontal checks result. How to get that? Okay, let's replace this also with a break like this. This is hit location and this is hit normal. Now let's break these and recombine. This is for hit location and this is for hit normal. Let me quickly check if everything works alright. Yeah. Okay. Now we can put this one also here. I'll call this vertical hit and this one horizontal hit. Right, now inside not in jump up, in this hang on ledge part. Oh wait, oh this is not what I need. This is not, I should connect it here. Hang on ledge, this is vertical hit, this one is horizontal hit. Right, now get the horizontal hit and break like this. So here we can have this location. let's break it too, and from the vertical hit also we can have location, break that too. Okay, now let's make a vector for x and y, use this, and for z use this. Now we are going to hang on the ledge, so that means we should change our movement mode to flying. So let's update movement state this to on wall, but in this implementation we are not not here we are not changing we are only changing this state, but we are not changing the actual movement mode. I think I should do that too. Yeah, so how to do it? Let's get this moment state variable and do a switch on moment state. Collapse. Let's call this update moment mode. Now here get the character movement working, set movement mode. If I am walking, this should be, we can do it in an easier way, like this. Select based on the movement state. Yeah, that's better. Now if I am walking, then I should of course use walking. If I am on wall, I should use fly. If I am jumping, well, that's still walking. If I am falling, well, falling. Hanging, that is also flying. Riding, also walking. Alright, now let's see if we have any problems. That's the problem we need to solve. Seems like everything works fine. Oh, we need to check one more thing. What happens if I jump like this? Oh, it's okay. Alright, that part is done. Now where were we in the hanging thing? Hang on ledge. Okay, update moment state to on wall, and then let's move the character move component to, well, I am not sure about the exact location we should move, so for now let's use this. And for the relative rotation, get the normal rotation from x vector, I guess. Here we should use only yaw. No. Okay, yeah, we need to work on this I case, but let me disable I case for temporary. Wait, it didn't move. Why? Ah, sorry, I didn't connect the capsule here. Oh, okay, I should rotate this other way. So that means add 180 to this. Let's try that also. Alright, so we need to work on the horizontal level. So instead of directly using this value, let's add, let's say minus 130 will work. Yes, and I think I should adjust the, I should move the character a little bit away from the wall. So I think yeah, let's enable the capsule visibility just to see if yeah, capsule is quite okay. Let's modify the animation a little bit. go here like this and add a key and apply. Now let's see. Seems like a little bit off, but the leg positions are alright. What to do? Let's move it a little bit forward. Oh, I didn't apply it. Not enough. Not enough. Okay, I guess that's alright. Okay, and I'll stop this episode at this point, and after this in the next episode let's continue with moving up the ledge part, because I have already done these things in my previous episodes, but I'm not happy with the state of there, so that's why I'm revisiting these parts, and I want to fix all the bugs that I have and complete it so I can use it in the end game without any issue. So if you want to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. The link would be in the description below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.